In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Maps set to English, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right into the process so you can navigate Google Maps without any language barriers. First things first, you'll want to open your Google browser. This is your starting point for accessing any of Google's services, including Google Maps. Once you've got your browser open, locate the Google Apps icon. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page, represented by a small grid of dots. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu featuring all of Google's applications. Now within this menu, look for and click on Maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, your central hub for all location-based inquiries and navigation needs. Once Maps loads, look towards the top left-hand corner of the screen. You should see 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on these lines will reveal a sidebar where you'll find additional options. In this side menu, pay attention to the language option. It might be nestled among other settings, but it's usually straightforward to locate. Click on language, and this is where you'll be able to make your adjustments. Finally, once you've clicked on language, a list of different language options will appear. Scroll through them to find English and select it. By doing this, you're telling Google Maps that you prefer to use the service in English. Once English is selected, the system will automatically adjust, ensuring that all your navigation and map details are presented in English from this point onward. A few additional tips to keep in mind. If you've adjusted your language settings but things still seem off, try refreshing your browser to allow changes to take full effect. Sometimes Maps may require a quick refresh to update the settings properly. This process is generally very reliable, but occasionally browser caching might cause language settings not to update immediately. Clearing your browser cache can often help resolve such issues. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can ensure Google Maps remains set to English, making your navigation experience straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning your next road trip, having Google Maps in your preferred language is crucial for a smooth journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. Safe travels.